it's Paul from Roll Ventures. So recently I purchased a facelift 2024 Isuzu DMAX X-Terrain. Like most four-wheel drive enthusiasts, I've gone out and bought a ton of aftermarket gear for the ute. Though traditionally, one of the first mods I like to do is the good old catch can. So this one here from Western Fielders is probably one of the most popular models you'll see out there, the Provent 200. And today I was going to run you through the install of that. Alright, so the reason why you want to install a catch can on a modern diesel is the inherent carbon buildup you're going to get through your EGR. That carbon that can't be burnt through your engine, through combustion, is going to recirculate through your EGR hoses, stick to the side of the wall with the oil that's going through, and then build up, clog up those hoses. It's going to restrict air going through, which is going to reduce your power and a fuel economy. So this is the amount of oil that I poured out of the last ute. The catch can on there probably emptied the last 3 or 4 times, every 5,000 kilometres or so. And that would have just recirculated back through the engine, through the hoses, and then clogged it all up. Okay, so this is the Provent Catch Can itself. For the Isuzu, we do need to turn these hoses to face the front of the vehicle. To do that, just flip it over and just gently pull on this little arm here, which allows the bracket to come loose from the body. So with that bracket facing down, all we do is turn, let that sit in the groove, and then just gently place the first little clip back into that arm. Easy as that. Now after installing a few of these, I do find it a lot easier to install the drain hose first. By putting that on the catch can, it is a lot easier just to feed it straight down after you've installed the bracket. The catch can then So after installing a few of these, I've found that putting the hose on the bottom of the catch can and then feeding that down when you install the catch can onto the mounting bracket is probably the easiest way to go. Once it's in there, it's going to be a tight little spot to get that hose on. So put it on now, tighten it up, and then feed it down into a position where you can lock it in later. Alright, so over on the driver's side of the engine bay, just behind the airbox here, you'll find a 12mm bolt and a 10mm bolt. So once we take those out, we want to hold on to them. They're going to help us mount that bracket down for the catch can. There's also a third mounting point down here, which you'll use with a supplied bolt. Right, so once that's in, the important thing is to know is the top outlet is going to run back to your crankcase, just there, and the bottom outlet is going to run down to your air intake. So super simple, those two hoses just clamp on there.